What's the meaning of alphabet? Alphabet. 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 Alphabet.
Alphabet is a system of writing that uses a set of characters, or symbols, to represent the sounds of a language. The modern English alphabet consists of 26 letters, each with a unique sound or combination of sounds. This system of writing allows for the creation of written words and sentences, which can be used to communicate complex ideas and convey information over distances and time. The widespread use of written language has been a cornerstone of human civilization, enabling the preservation and transmission of knowledge and cultural values across generations.